What if I told you the person you are right now doesn't have to exist? What if your next transformation happens entirely out of sight? Sometimes, the only way to truly find yourself is to vanish. Everyone wants to transform, but no one talks about the silence it requires, the isolation, the disappearing. This video isn't for everyone. It's for those who are ready to go missing, to become someone unrecognizable, even to yourself. Disappearing isn't running away. It's retreating to rebuild. You disappear to stop explaining. You don't owe anyone proof. Transformation is silent. Let your results make the noise. You disappear to face the mirror. When the noise dies, your demons speak louder. And that's when you finally fight them. You disappear to choose who you become. Not the version society expects, but the one your soul keeps whispering about. In the shadows, there are no eyes on you, which means there's no fear of judgment. And that's when real change begins. You'll build new habits with no applause. You'll fall in love with routine, not rewards. You'll measure progress by peace, not likes. And then one day, you'll reappear not as who you were, but as who you built. You'll walk into rooms you once felt small in and feel nothing but stillness. You'll stop seeking validation because you've already validated yourself. So maybe it's your turn, not to run, but to retreat. Not to escape, but to evolve. If you're ready to disappear and transform, write one word in the comments. Becoming. No need to explain. That's your silent contract with yourself.